Hey guys, Jack the Hopeful here. Gonna make this really quick for you. Look at my setup. So pretty much getting this connection error server code that I can't live stream to YouTube right now, even though I just did a little bit earlier. So if you guys are going crazy too, there's 4 things you can do. You go into your account management settings on your PS4 or PS5, then you will unlink your YouTube or Twitch. You'll sign back in and restart your PS4. Another step is to go onto your computer. You're gonna go under your YouTube Studio, General, and then your eligibility services, and you're gonna link your live stream service to whatever platform you have. You're gonna check to see if you got any strikes, because they can ban you for a week or 90 days. Those are 2 ways. Another way is to go under your profile again, and you're going to go under licensing, and then you're going to update that, because it'll update the licenses. Another thing is just to turn it off and hope for the best. A lot of people are going through this issue right now, and not just myself, so it could be a worldwide thing. Not really sure, so you're just going to have to go back to sharing your videos via the same way we've always done it. Is you're going to just hit the share button on your PS4, and you're going to upload that video clip. Well, good luck, guys, and as always, stay hopeful.